Hello, welcome to, it was a Friday. Yes, it was a Friday. Okay. Today I had the bioengineering 1880. It's very difficult. Uh, Today we did like review of questions we did for homework yesterday. And the first part was really simple. The second part was really confusing, and we talked through it as a class, and it made a lot more sense. And then after we'd gone over those two, they gave us a third question to work on by ourselves as homework. And I had no clue what I was doing. I couldn't figure it out. And so I went through the textbook, and I found almost the exact same equation in the textbook, and I referenced it in my thing because that was something they talked about for the questions, was referencing where you get your information. So hopefully that counts. The other big thing is I had work, and there were like four of us in the dishwashing room, and there's me, person that I've worked with before, and like two people had joined in the last week as part of the new break or the new semester, and so we had to teach them how to do closing because it was a Friday and we close early, and I always forget that. Yeah. After that, I just came back and I worked on homework, part of the bioengineering, and then a bunch of trig, because I've been setting it to the side mostly to work on other stuff, and I just had a lot of open time to deal with it now. So I went through the first two assignments, and they were fairly easy. Obviously, the first. Hopefully they're easy, because it's going to get harder from here. Now Paul and I are playing DuneCrawler again. We played a bunch of it last night when we hooked up to the TV, and that was a lot of fun. But the big side effect of that, when you're playing together, is you can't go very far from each other. And so we got it set up again to where we're on separate screens, and that's proven to have its up and downs. The up being that we can travel separate from each other, which is really convenient, but also because the computers talk back and forth, it's a little bit slower. Still really fun though. I'm sure you can hear the sound effects in the background. Yeah. So tomorrow hopefully will be fairly quiet. I don't think I'll have any more homework. It'll just be a quiet day to do like some magic stuff.
I have to go get my blood taken.
Oh yeah, Paul has been very consistently donating plasma. He tried to do it a little bit ago, but he got a bruise, and so he's waiting for that to go away.
It's gone now.
Yeah. I mean, I could barely see it the first time when they pointed it out, so I'm assuming you're doing pretty well now. Anyway, I'm going to stop over there, and I'm going to keep playing before I get shot by this guy. So yeah, I will talk to you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.